We've been big fans of NDI. Panasonic was the first, I'm going to say, broadcast level company to jump on NDI-HX. You have a whole gamut of products here that aren't just NDI-HX PTZ cameras, but you have controllers, and you have this this great little box. We're going to talk about the HLC 100 a little bit, but why do you think NDI is so important?
Well, I think we're seeing NDI kind of have its day right now. I think that there was a time when you could just kind of get around on copper and everybody was doing things the old way, but now, because it's, you don't want to go to the camera as as much as possible. You want to stay away from the camera, and streaming is such a big deal. And then getting all the cameras onto one network and streaming them all makes HX, NDI HX super popular, or at least a really great option there. And so when we say we're all in, I mean we're all in. We have NDI built in, like you said, our controllers. Talking about the HLC 100, our PTZ cameras, some of our handheld cameras, some of our shoulder mount cameras. We think NDI is going to be a big deal moving forward, and we're all in.
Cool. Adam, if you could bring this slide up full screen for me. I just want to go through the NDI HX flavors of the product line and their price points. We've got the 38 at $2,400. We've got the 40 at $2,695. We got the N130 at $5,250, and the UN70 giving you 4K at $5,500.